Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase your TikTok followers, likes and views step by step right on screen. So make sure just watch till the end so you don't miss any part. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok app and then just log into your account and then tap on profile and then just tap on three lines menu or three lines icon on the top right corner and then choose settings and privacy, this one. This is where you will make a few quick changes that helps your account grow faster, and then just tap on privacy. And then if your private account option, this one is turned on, just switch it off because this will make your account public so more people can find your videos. And then you can keep the activity status off if you prefer privacy. And once done, just go back to main settings and then now just scroll down and then until you found free up space, this one, just tap on it and then just hit clear under both options to remove cache and temporary files like this. This will keep TikTok running smooth and helps video upload better. And then go back again and then just tap on report a problem. And in the search bar, just type TikTok free likes and followers. And OK like this. And after that, just select the first settings that appear, this one. And then just tap on yes. Go back to the just tap on removing followers. And then for the settings, just tap on no. This will refresh your account engagement status. And then now for the highest reach when you post the video, let's go to TikTok Studio, just tap on it. And then go to analytics, go to viewers and scroll down, and on the most active time sections you can see the data of your viewers were most active on the last 7 days. And in my case, my viewers most active on 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. You can use this time as best posting time on TikTok. And then beside that, make sure your video is high quality, has clear sounds, and use strong hashtags. And okay, that's it. Just try these steps and watch your followers grow fast. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.